Hello everyone! In this video, we'll walk through how to install Grafana Server on Ubuntu. It's a powerful tool for system monitoring and effective data visualization. Before we begin, make sure that MySQL or MariaDB is already installed and running properly on your system. Now, let's check the status of your MySQL or MariaDB server to make sure it's running properly. Next, we'll create a dedicated database for the Grafana server. Now we'll log in to MySQL or MariaDB using the root account to start creating the database. This is a sample database. You can change the database name, username, and password as needed. Then, run the following commands one by one. If you make any changes, don't forget to update the corresponding fields in the commands to ensure everything works correctly. Alright, we've successfully created the database for Grafana. Now, let's move on to the next step, installing Grafana on the system. First, we'll install some essential tools before proceeding with the Grafana installation. Next, we'll add Grafana's GPG key to the system to ensure the installation packages are verified and secure. Next, we'll add Grafana's official repository to the system so we can install the latest version from a trusted source. After adding the repository, we'll update the system so it can recognize the new packages from the added source. Alright, everything is ready. Now let's install the Grafana server on our system. Alright, as you can see, Grafana has been successfully installed on the system and is ready to use. Now we'll enable the Grafana service and set it to start automatically with the system. Next, let's check the status of the Grafana service to make sure it's running properly on the system. Next, we'll configure Grafana by editing the grafana.ini file. This file contains key settings like access port, data paths, and database connection details. Now, scroll down and look for the database configuration section. Here, we'll set up the connection details for the MySQL or MariaDB database we created earlier. Uncomment these configuration lines and fill in the database details we created in Step 2, including the database name, username, and password. Once you've finished editing, save the file and exit. Next, we'll restart the Grafana server to apply the configuration changes we just made. By default, Grafana server listens on port 3000. So if your system has a firewall enabled, you need to open this port to allow access. If the status shows inactive, it means the firewall is disabled, so you can skip this step. Now we'll allow port 3000 through the firewall using UFW so that Grafana can be accessed from the browser. Everything is ready to go. Now open your browser and navigate to your server's IP address followed by port 3000 to start exploring the Grafana web interface. When the login screen appears, use the default credentials, admin for both username and password. After logging in for the first time, Grafana will prompt you to change the default password for better security. Just enter your new desired password and save the changes. Alright, that's it. You now have a fully functional Grafana server ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore how to integrate Grafana with Zabbix for powerful monitoring and visualization.